Yo!
Pew, 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 pew.
It's your boy Quent. MoreQuent. Quent. More. You can call me Quent or you can call me More. Or you can call me both. I might not answer the More. Someone said it one time and I was like, who? The title, the Cenat burger. Now you're saying, Quent, you're doing the Cenat burger, but did you taste it? No, I haven't hit up my nearest McDonald's yet.
How can you recreate something if you've never had it?
You asking too many good questions, but here's the answer to this. I've seen videos of the burger sandwich. All right, okay, all right. I don't even know what I'm doing. Let's do it. Let's do it, let's do it. Hey, it's your neighborhood Quint here. I'm not looking at Swole. Look, what I've learned about the chicken Big Mac, it's not the McChicken sandwich bread. Yo, look, the chicken Big Mac is not the same as the McChicken chicken. Do you understand? It's as the Zoom. It's like the McNuggets. We're good, okay? Let's go. I haven't had it, so I can't call it dumb. I really was gonna call it stupid, but I can't. So, retract my statements. Sometimes don't you feel like somebody's just watching you? Like every little thing you do, don't you feel like someone is just there? Chicken breast. Grab the chicken breast. You need the chicken breast. Here we go. Here we go. Who says that? Oh, did I talk about the Joker movie? Yo, it's the worst movie on the planet. Do not even look at it. Word. And then that's it. They said it was a musical. I like musicals. High School Musical. Loved it. Don't cap like you didn't like High School Musical. They like to lie to your face. Like they wasn't trying to be Troy Bolton. Not me. Ooh. But you said you could have had Vanessa. No, I'm not saying anything. Lock in. Back in the day, it wasn't even Vanessa that was on my mind. It was a girl from My Babysitter's a Vampire. Word to bro. Yo, bro, cut the chicken. All right, so here is, and I gotta really put his name on it. It is Joshua's Mac Sauce. Hey, yo. Mac Sauce, let's do it. Look. Silver bowl. Yellow mustard. Oh my God. So this is called a Brinois cut. Now we have the pickle. No, not the pickle test. All right, here. You want the pickle test? Here we go. Not the pickle test. Not what your girl is looking for. I'm talking about the real pickle, the pickle jar test. Boom, boom. All right, you ready? Pop the bottom up. You heard that Mr. Olympian just dropped, and you know he doing all type of moves. Hold on, I gotta show the move stats. Number 53, please come up. Pose. That wasn't worth it. Ah. So here we go. Here we go. A little bit of onion, a little bit of green pick, a little bit of the green juices in it going in. That was a lot, Quint. The garlic. Wowzer. Garlic goes down. A nice little Big Mac sauce. Mmm. Why is that like spicy low key? Why is that? It's the onion. Holy shit, that's burning my tongue. It's the onion, it burns. The onion burns. So we gotta cut the chicken breast up. I'm gonna cut it up into some pieces. And we're gonna cut it up again, and again, and again, and again, and again, and again. Think butchers back in the day had a grinder? They grinded it out themselves on a cutting board with their bare hands. So we have chicken. Look at this. It's already a ball. You said, Quentin, that's not fine enough. Did I just say my full name? Yeah. We got 2 teaspoons of salt. Let's call that 1 teaspoon. Let's call that 2. Oh shit, yeah, put this in the freezer for 10 minutes. Freezer. All right, 10 minutes. And then, come on. Oh, I just got frozen in time. Hey. On the show, there it is. There goes the money shot. We got 1, we got 2, quarter cup. We're gonna put it in this one. Flour going down. Hey, yo. Two egg. Chicken. Take half of this into a fucking patty. So in here, I'm gonna go into the flour. I'm gonna go into here. Holy shit. You see? That looks delicioso. You got the buns. Quint, minute. Shut your lip. Shout out to B. Lou for telling me the idea. Even though it was on the hit list, he made me rethink it twice. Look at the masterpiece I just whipped up. I might as well just get the good thumbnails.
Damn.
How do I even enter? How do you enter something like this? I mean, you can tell I'm excited. It's like Big Mac is actually too damn big. All right, come on. One-handed, Clint. Let's go. Get in. Entry spot found. I can't. It's too big. Okay. I mean, I like it. But it's too much. It's too big. What do you want me to say? It's too big. I gotta fucking unhinge my jaw to get underneath. Look. You know what I can say? Is I'm getting better in the kitchen. Ooh. I'm gonna go try the Cenat meal and I'll report back to see if it's the same. I feel really good. Let's do more things like this. Anyway, I'm out. MoreQuent. Peace. Yeah.